Morning everyone. Laughing will always be the best form of therapy. Laughing helps in forming bonds with friends, family and close ones. One can easily forget the cause of the laughter shared together, but one can never forget the fun times spent together. So, children, today I welcome you for the class assembly of Class 2D on World Laughter Day.
Everyone. Today on behalf of Class 2D, I welcome our respected director, Avinash ma'am, principal ma'am, Sudeshna ma'am, Ranbeen ma'am, and all the educators and my fellow students for the class assembly on World Laughter Day. Now, I would like to call the students of Class 2D on the stage to begin the assembly. Nobody can start without blessings of the Almighty, the creator of the whole universe. So let's join our hands and remember the Almighty with a prayer. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, God made the glowing colors and made the tiny wings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. The purple-headed mountains, the river running by, the sunset and the morning that brighten up the sky. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. The cold wind in the winter, the birds and summer sun, the ripe fruits in the garden, the bird of everyone. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Good they must hush to see them, and this that we might tell, how great is God Almighty, who has made all things well. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Why are you laughing so much? Hi Navyansh. Hi Navyansh. I just heard a really funny joke. Oh really? Can you tell me too? Sure. You know why don't elephants use computers? I don't know why. Because they are afraid of clowns. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. That was so funny. I love jokes. Me too. Laughing makes me feel happy. My teacher says laughter is the best medicine. So let's spread more laughter on World Laughter Day. To call my friend on the day to tell you about World Laughter Day.
It is celebrated on first Sunday of May every year.
It was started in 1998 by Dr. Madan Kataria, founder of the Laughter Yoga movement. It reminds us that laughter is a universal language that brings people together. Now I would like to share the importance of laughter with you all. Laughter makes us happy. It helps us to forget our worries. It keeps our body healthy. It brings people closer and spread joy. Don't invite my friend on the stage to recite the poem. Let's start. Don't be shy. Let audibles teach the start. A chuckle, a snort, or a big belly laugh makes us all feel light on our path. When you are happy, laugh and play, it makes your worries go away. So come on friends, let's laugh together today and spread happiness all the way. Thank you. नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज हम लेके आए हैं पतला नाटक हंसी सबके लिए। हंसी जो दुख को भुला दे, जो दोस्ती बढ़ा दे और दिल को खुश कर दे। सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों, मैं हाँ हैप्पी सिंह जिसको हंसना बहुत पसंद है। मैं हर रोज हंसता हाँ क्योंकि हंसी ही तो मेरी ताकत है। Hey happy, why are you always laughing? I don't like this laughing and joking. क्यों भरा हंसी ने सब तो करिए दवाई है। चल एक जोक सुन, थोड़ा मुस्कुरा ले। एक ने टीचर बच्चे ਨੂੰ ਬੋਲਦੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਲੇਟ ਕਿਉਂ ਆਏ? ਬੱਚਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਕੰਤੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੱਥ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਵੱਜਦੀ ਸੀ। अरे गोपाल, आज तो लाफ्टर डे है। हंसी से दोस्ती बढ़ती है और दिल की सफाई होती है। I don't feel like laughing. I am a Dr. Smile. I make everyone laugh and spread smile. Laughing keeps you happy and happy. Children, when we laugh, everyone feels happy. So let's all smile together. चलो गोपाल, एक जोक सुनो। एक हाथी ने चूहे से कहा कि आप इतना छोटा क्यों हो? चूहा बोला क्योंकि मैं छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका हूँ। हा हा हा। Yoga is the ultimate act of harmony between our body and mind. Now the student of class 2D will present Laughter Yoga in front of you. I request all of you to join us.
You come here and do the laughter yoga.